So today I'll be talking about how to change the doorknob if yours is broken and doesn't work and it's sticky and stuff. I'll show you how to change it. So what you want to do is grab a screwdriver. You can get a Phillips, either hand screwdriver or drill or impact driver, whatever works for you. Take the first one out, and then when you take the second one out, press on the knob and hold it from the back side. I'll show you in a minute. Right there, from it, hold it down so it doesn't fall. Then take out the second screw and take apart the doorknob, and then also take this piece out. And then the new one came like this and the old one's like that. So what you want to do is replace it. Split it open, get a flathead screwdriver. I got a small one, and just pop it, twist it. Keep popping on each side and twisted it. And it should be pretty easy to pop it out. I just have a small screwdriver, that's why it's taking some time, but it's pretty easy. Pull first one up and the bottom one, and the other one down, and it should come off. And then get the other sleeve, put it on, make sure you put it the right way, and then in each side there's like little knob things. It's supposed to click in just like that on both sides. Once you got that working, put it back in. Make sure you put it in the right way so it locks. The flat side goes the other side, so the door locks pretty nice. And then you want to push it in, and if it doesn't go in, take like a little rubber hammer or some little piece of metal or something and just tap it in there. I just grabbed whatever I had, just slightly tap it in. Once you're done with that, then we install the new doorknobs. Make sure you put them the right way. Put through that first, and then put that piece in. Make sure the holes line up so it'll be easy to locate the screw. Get the longer screws out, and they usually fill up. So what you want to do is grab both of them. And what I like to do is to first start them. Don't screw them in all the way, so you can locate both of them. Start the first one, and then kind of like easily push it down, but I would probably screw it in just a little bit more so it holds it. And then let me screw it in. Just don't screw it in all the way. Push it down and put the second one in. Once you got that in, locate it. Make sure you press that down. And what you do is just screw it in. You can use a screwdriver, but I had a impact driver, so once it's nice and tight, then you can test it, make sure it works, and mine worked pretty good. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe. Thank you.